So I've sent these bulk SMSs to all my leads, and in this video I'll show you how you can also do this. So let's get started. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send these messages 100 of times for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect, and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you. You just have to choose your plan, click on this have a coupon button, apply this amazing discount coupon code and click on this apply button. This coupon code is going to get applied and it can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this discount coupon code is just for you. So first try Pabbly Connect, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, that you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window for automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, you have to select it as your spreadsheet in which you have all your lead details to whom you want to send automated bulk SMS. Now what you have to do, you just have to go back towards your workflow for the event selected as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL, so just copy this webhook URL and open your spreadsheet. Now go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons, you have to add an extension in the spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and make sure to install this extension right over here. I've already installed this. After you install this extension, make sure to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very crucial step, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks in your extensions tab. Once you see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go in this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on this initial setup, and over here it is going to ask you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So just paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow and enter the trigger column. So over here I've simply pasted my webhook URL and entered my trigger column. So first of all, the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want to send these 4 details towards my webhook URL, which is the first name, last name, email and phone number. So I've kept my trigger column as D over here. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C. If you want to send 5 details, it will be E, and so on. It totally depends upon your spreadsheet. After entering both of this, just click on this submit and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that you've created the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. In order to capture this webhook response, we just have to go back towards our sheets and click on this send test. Now it is saying test data sent successfully, and it is saying that it has sent this first row towards my workflow. So let me open my workflow and you're going to see that Pabbly has captured the response for the same, and yes, this is the proof of our successful connection. Now what you have to do, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Twilio because in order to send automated bulk SMSs, I'm going to use Twilio. You can use any another application too right over here. So I'm just going to search for Twilio and select it. For the event, I'm going to select it as send SMS message and click on this connect. Now over here, if you have 2 options, add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you've already created a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the account SID authorization token and the account SID. So to get this, just open your Twilio dashboard, and once you scroll in the dashboard towards the end, you're going to find all of these 3 details in this account information. Just copy this account SID, paste it right over here. You have to paste it 2 times. Now for the authorization token, just copy and paste it right over here and click on the save, and a Twilio account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy. Now it's asking for the body of the SMS, so I'm just going to copy it from my previous workflow right over here and paste it right over here, and yes, you're going to see I've successfully already entered this. But over here in the body of the SMS, I'm just going to enter the name of my lead, and we're going to not enter the name manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically a data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash search for the details like this and map it right over here. So as you can see, I've only mapped this name because I want this name to change with every new response. The SMS should remain same. Now for the sender's number, I'm just going to copy this my Twilio phone number and paste it right over here. Now for the recipient number, I'm just going to put a slash and simply map the number of my lead. But always a hack that you don't have to enter it manually, you have to map it. So just search for number and map it and click on the save and send test request. Before I click on the save and send test request, I'll just let you know that this phone number is a dummy phone number. So I will not receive a positive response, or I cannot show you the SMS received. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number and then click on the save and send test request. Like this, you're going to see I've received the positive response, and I can also show you the SMS which I have received. You don't have to replace this if you're using real lead details right over here in your spreadsheet. Okay, so as you can see that I've received this SMS which is saying send from your Twilio trial account. So I'm using a Twilio trial account. That's the reason this line is sent. If you're using a Twilio paid account, your message will start from hi test user, exciting property deals are live today at Lakeview Properties. Grab exclusive discount on the premium homes, limited time offer only. So you can see this message is sent successfully. But I don't only want to send a single SMS but bulk SMS. So with that, you have to go towards our spreadsheet, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow. An automated SMS which you have set it up over here will be sent towards all the data you have in this spreadsheet. Apart from this, if you want that whenever you add the new details, the SMS should be sent towards them too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. So go and try this and send 1000 plus SMS in just a single click. Yes, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect webhooks, and just a single click of send all data, and the SMS will be sent like I showed you in the starting of this video. So go and try this amazing automation, and if you have any doubts while trying, you can drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and for more automation tips and tutorials like this, do subscribe our YouTube channel. The workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. And further, try Pabbly Connect. If you like it, do purchase the subscription plan. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you next video. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.